Alright, I figure I had nothing better to do on my day off than to come in and make you a video. Yeah, it's pretty bad, I know. I feel sorry for myself too. You can give me pity on Wednesday when you do really well on your test, or on Thursday, because you're gonna ace this test. You just have to have confidence. So let's review a few of these problems just to make sure we're doing them right. You're gonna get your quiz back and you're gonna see the mistakes that you're still making, but that's okay, you know, we'll figure it out. We wanna get the C's to one side and the numbers to the other. So I've already got the number all by itself, so I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm gonna get rid of this plus 9C by minusing 9C to both sides. So I get 3C equals 3. So now I want to get rid of the 3 in front of the C. And right now it's multiplication, so I do that by dividing. Do most of you see that I actually showed that I'm dividing by a 3? If this were a negative, I would put a negative. For whatever reason, we have a lot of people who are forgetting to show that they're dividing by a negative number. Okay? C equals 1. Okay? How about I pick another one? Let's do this one. I'm just doing problems out of the book. And then I'll move on to inequalities. And you can watch that over and over and over again because you miss me so much over the weekend. I know, it's okay. You can admit it, it's fine. Okay, we want to get the numbers to one side and the letters to the other. Remember, we're doing one step at a time. So I'm going to deal with the numbers first. Minus 3.3, minus 3.3. So this cancels, leaving us with 9.25n. I'm going to draw the line because some of you still like to do that. That's awesome. Great habit. You are fighting the urge to be a 7th grader. That is a good thing. 1.3 minus 3.3, negative 2. So now I move this by getting rid of it, by doing the opposite. So I get 10n equals negative 2. What am I dividing by? I'm dividing by 10. N equals negative 1/5. Check. Can answer that as n equals negative 0.2 if you would like to as well. Your choice. Okay, let me turn. Oops, I went backwards. I didn't mean to go backwards. I went forwards. I want to add. Okay. Now let's look at a few inequalities. Remember, when we start with an inequality, it makes no difference. We do the same exact thing. We want to get rid of the minus 2, so we add 2 to both sides. 2x is greater than 22. Now I divide both sides by 2, so x is greater than 11. So if I want to test it, aka check, I'm going to pick a number bigger than 11. So I'm going to plug 12. 2 times 12, because I'm pretty sure that 12 is bigger than 11. So that's 24 minus 2. 22 is greater than 22. Sorry, 0, 20. Check. Yay, it works. Rejoicing in the streets. Now that, oops, I think I just moved the box. I don't like when I move the box. You too can make videos like me. I'm a professional. Negative 2z plus 0.6 is greater than or equal to 2.4. I know you love the fractions, decimals. I love them too. All right, we're gonna leave the z alone. We're gonna get rid of this, minus 0.6, minus 0.6. So I get negative 2z is greater than or equal to, I believe that's 1.8. 1.8. Okay. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. What did we say we're supposed to do whenever we divide by negative 2? What did that really intelligent math teacher once tell me? The one with the red hair. Oh yeah, when I divide by a negative, I flip the inequality. So z is now less than or equal to. And now I find out the answer to that by looking in my book. negative 0.9, because I'm not using a little evil demon box because you're not allowed to. So now I do my test. I take any number smaller or equal to negative 0.9, so I'm going to plug in a negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 plus 0.6 is greater than or equal to 2.4. You notice I only flip this. I don't change this in the original. That's how to keep it true. Yay! That is the case. Okay? So when we multiply or divide by a negative in our last step, we flip the inequality. Okay, sorry. It's my day off. I shouldn't be here. Okay, last slide. Backtracking. Know it. Guess, check, and improve. Know how to do it. Balancing. You can be good at it, but it's not going to help you in math. But you have to be able to balance an equation. Show all your steps. Show one at a time. Okay? There really isn't anything else in this chapter that you need to worry about. It's pretty straightforward. There may be a few questions that you have to explain on the test, but otherwise it's mostly going to be problem solving. I can't guarantee that there won't be bags and blocks on it, so be prepared for that. Otherwise, I hope you have a marvelous day today and you enjoy your time away from school, because after today we have school every single day until the end of the year. No more days off. So sad. I think I'm gonna cry. Not because we don't have days off, but because the school year is ending so soon. All right. Yeah, that's it. See ya.